Hello, good morning, friends. Greetings from Pune, India. My name is Rajiv Sarna. Today I have come here to cover very important topic, which everybody should understand. Today, as we are, in December end, and everybody is very excited that our company on passive is, going to launch for the soft launch and then the hard launch. And some formalities which are shared in the last webinar by our respected CEO sir, that certain legalities are in pipeline which needs to be complied and would be done in a due course. And since we are going to launch for once and all, we should not be in a stage where things are half done. Now, as I keep on getting lot of queries and emails about our company on passive legality and the legal aspects, although I have spoken many times in Team Champion webinars also, in question answer sessions also, that our company is very much legal. In fact, I have done a Hindi video also, which was circulated 2 months back. From time to time, I have been, giving the knowledge to the people who join in the webinars and responding them. So I thought, I should make a video in English so that, our all on passive family co-founders who cannot understand Hindi, they will be able to get a hang of it and could understand. Okay, so that is the whole purpose of making this video in India, not just for my Team Champion India family, but for the family world over. Now, those who don't know me, I'll introduce myself. My name is Rajiv Sarna, and I belong to Pune, India. And from the aspect that, people want to know who I am, etc. So as I told, my name is Rajiv Sarna, belong to Pune, India. And I am a multifaceted person, being from an IT company and also a businessman. Also a financial consultant, having a legal knowledge. Also, I have participated because I have my own private limited company. So I participated in so many tendering processes, which were there in corporate as well as government, international also. So for anybody to participate in anything or form a company, you need to have the certain documents which should be technically okay. Then only you can proceed ahead with the business. Well, I am a visualizer, designer also, and if I talk about my credentials in India, so I have been honored right up to the highest level in India, in the government sector and private, be it central government level, be it a state government level in Maharashtra. I have been working closely. I work closely with IT companies, to name Microsoft, Hewlett Packard, Novell Netwear, San Jose. Then in India, Wipro, Infotech, TVS Electronics, Modi Olivetti, Fujitsu, ICM. So these were the companies whom I have worked. Now with my 35 years of experience, I am here to guide you and give my viewpoint about the on-passive company. See, not only IT sector, I have worked with the Indian Armed Forces for their requirements, with the banking sector, insurance sector, with the educational institutes, be it National Insurance Academy, National Institute of Bank Management, National Defense Academy, and in my family, along with my wife, I have 2 children. Both are BE. Okay, they are engineers. And coming back to the various, I could take 10-15 minutes talking about myself because I have been involved in working with Indian Administrative Services, IAS officers, IPS officers, and various levels. And coming on passive, I'm grateful to the Almighty that earlier I was a vendor of IT company. Now I am a owner. I can say I am a co-partner with the company. Now many people, they keep on giving me call and email ki sir, you explain us about the legality of the company. Now see, in any country, if I talk about India, we need to have certain registrations done. Okay, these registrations are like our company has got a PAN number, that is permanent account number, which is linked with the income tax. Then we have GST number, which is called as general sales tax number, whatever sales I am doing. Okay, so I must file the return with the government. So for that I have to have the number, which we have. Okay. Now coming to on passive, where on passive is based, main office is in Orlando, USA, and the whole back office is in India. We have places in Bangalore, we have 2 offices in Hyderabad. Now when we say that we have PAN number, GST number, whether it is real or not, you can definitely, when I say it is there, that means either you can trust or you cannot trust me. So what you can do is you can search on internet by putting the company's PAN number. So you will get that it very much exists. It's under Bangalore, Bangalore jurisdiction. And now the main office where the cream of people are working is in Hyderabad, high-tech city Hyderabad in Telangana. Now when you search on internet, the GPS is not going to lie to you. Okay. And secondly, I will also not. The reason is I am one of the 28% leaders from India who visited Hyderabad office. My gratitude to Almighty, to Ash Mafra, to Gurshminder Dhillon, to Jassi Singh, all top people. I just joined 4.5 months back. Okay. It was my good luck and the blessings coming from Almighty that I could take up this responsibility, and I'm one of the 20 core body members from India. Coming back to the further legality part, so number 1, we have the PAN number. Number 2, we have the GST number. Number 3, when you register in the company, putting your email ID, it asks for the email verification. So your KYC, know your customer verification, is also done. At the same time, there is a message coming from the support GoFounder. Yes, you have been verified and you can log in. That means both ways the compliance takes place. After you pay $97, which is worldwide, converted to Indian rupees, 7,700 rupees, plus there is 18% GST. 18% GST is for what? It's a tax which the Indian government and state government levies. So 9% goes to central government, 9% goes to state government. So there is a breakup in the receipt. So which all Indians, if they log with the net banking, credit card, debit card, they will get. Cryptocurrencies, they won't get the receipt. Okay, because they are saving onto the tax part. Okay. Now the next part is your KYC is done. Then you log in. Okay, make the payment. You get the receipt. Then next is there is an NDA, that is non-disclosure agreement, where which is a good number of paragraphs people can go through. It's a legal aspect. Okay. I have for each country there are attorneys. Okay, in India also there is an attorney. So like when I signed in India, so our CEO Ash Mafra sir, then India's attorney Deepak Kushwaha, and my signature are there very much in place. Okay, so it's a legal binding. Anything, anytime you have a problem, you are free to take a refund. So no company does that. No company gives you the chance. So why on passive is so confident? On passive is so confident because we are doing everything real. We are real people. I have seen on passive is a real company. I was part of that particular event on 3rd to 6th December, 10 days back. And moving ahead, people ask me, sir, why don't we are covered under MCA? What about CIN number? So I'll take up things one by one. For that, we need to understand the structure of doing business in India. Basically, there are 4 to 5 different structures. Number 1 is proprietary. Proprietary means what? If only I start doing the business, Rajesh Sarna does. Okay? I don't have any partners. So for that, I don't require permission other than my local areas. Okay? Number 2, if I and Dhillon sir or Jassi ji, we become partner. That means there are 3 partners. So that means what? It's a partnership deed. Okay. So under that again, I have to take permission only for the local or corporation or the state level. Okay. Third level is, which is called as a LLP, Limited Liability Partnership. Okay. Limited liability partnership, private limited, they and public limited, they all come under MCA, which is called as a Ministry of Corporate Affairs in India. Like I have my own company, which is a private limited, where myself and my wife, we are 2 directors. Okay. So if I am a director, if it's a private limited company, then I need to take a certificate of incorporation, which comes under ROC, that is Registrar of Company in India. Okay, not applicable for abroad companies. Okay, because every country has their own rules, regulations to invite foreign direct investment or other businesses. Now, when it's a private limited, you can have your closely, that means the funding going from myself and my family. It's a closely held company where no public money is taken. The moment I take company funds in my company, this becomes public limited company. So to decide and to become a public limited means I have to have IPO. IPO means public money. That is initial public offer. Okay. That means I will issue the shares. Okay. Now our company is yet to get launched. Okay. We are yet to open the our shop. Okay. So we are not covered. Number 1, ours is a purely partnership company. Since it is a partnership company, we are not covered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs, not under Registrar of Company. We are governed by Registrar of Firms. Okay. There are 22 offices of ROC in India. We don't fall under that. So since it's not a certificate of incorporation, it's not ROC approval, we don't come under MCA, so there is no article of association, no memorandum of association, and no SIN. SIN means CIN. That means corporate identity number. So all these things are taken away.